French fries anymore. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 kilogram of potatoes. Pierce them on the surface with a fork. In a baking pan, spread a drizzle of oil. Add the potatoes. Put them in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Then take them out of the oven. On each one, make some cuts with a knife, paying attention not to break them. Take a moment and write me in the comments where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on following us. After making the cuts, put the potatoes back in the baking pan. Now, in a bowl, add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of mayo, and mix well. Add also salt, parsley, black pepper, and oregano. Mix until well blended. Seasoning is to taste. If you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us a lot. Now add a bit of the mixture on top of each potato. These stuffed potatoes are incredible and super easy to prepare. Try them at home. No one will resist. Put them in the oven for 10 more minutes.